Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most beneficent, most merciful, most gracious, and the source of all knowledge. My name is Engineer Zainul Abidin, and I am going to teach grade 8 in maths. In our today's lecture, we will discuss something about fraction. What is fraction? पिछले लेक्चर्स के अंदर मैंने आपको बताया था कि हम लोग डिवीज़न के लिए जो सिंबल्स इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो हम एक ये वाला सिंबल इस्तेमाल करते हैं। उसके बाद हम जो सिंबल इस्तेमाल करते हैं ये सिंबल इस्तेमाल करते हैं जिसे बटा या और भी कहते हैं, और एक ये स्लैश का सिंबल जो है। दीज 3 सिंबल्स कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर द डिवीज़न। ओके, सपोज़ मैंने आपको मिसाल दी थी, वी आर गिवन विथ 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, then we can write it down 4 over 2. Again we can write it 4/2. That means all these symbols are the same. Okay, specifically this form is known as fraction. Okay, specifically when this symbol of division is used, then this form is known as fraction. Okay, in this the thing that is on the upper side of the R, that is actually known as denominator, and the down side of the R, it is known as this is known as numerator, and down side is known as denominator. In our today's lecture, we will discuss how we can add or subtract two different fractions. Suppose we are given with 3 over 4 plus 5 over 4. Okay, these are two different fractions and we want to solve these fractions. So first of all we need to find the LCM, and LCM we have learned in our previous chapter how we can find the LCM of number. हमें जो LCM फाइंड करना है वो इस डिनोमिनेटर का फाइंड करना है। ओके, डिनोमिनेटर में जितनी टर्म्स लिखी होंगी उन सब को आपने यहाँ पे कोमे के साथ जो है वो लिख लेना है, ठीक है। और starting with the smallest number, 2 2s are 4, comma, now for this 4, 2 2s are 4, and again 2 1s are and 2 1s are. After this you will multiply both of these two. 2 multiplied by 2, which will be equal to 4. We will write the 4 here as the LCM of 4 and 4. After this we'll have to place the symbols of division. ये जो LCM हमारे पास ये जो आया है इसको हम लोग डिविडेंड के तौर पे रखेंगे, और ये जो आउटसाइड पे है इसको हम लोग रखेंगे डिवाइज़र के तौर पे। 4 1s are 4। ओके, सबसे पहले मैंने इसको यहाँ पे लिखा और फिर इस 4 को यहाँ पे लिखा, तो मेरे पास ये जो 1 आंसर आया है इसको ले जा के मैं इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दूँगा। 3 × 1 प्लस, उसके बाद क्या है बेटा कि आपने अब ये वाला 4 यहाँ पे हमने लिख दिया, इससे डिवाइड करेंगे। 4 1s are 4। अब इस 1 से ले जाके इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये आ जाएगा 1 × 5। ओके, आगे ये आ जाएगा 3 1s are 3 प्लस 5 1s are 5 ओवर 4, और ये आ जाएगा 8 over 4, और you can cut it down, 4 1s are and 4 2s are, so 2 will be our answer. Okay, this is a simple addition of fractions. Now suppose if you are given with the subtraction of the fractions, suppose we are given with a question of -2 over 3 plus 5 over 12. Okay, we are given with this kind of question. First of all, in our rough work we will find the LCM of 3 and 12. Okay, I'm finding the LCM of 3 and 12. First of all, 3 is an odd number starting with the 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. After this, 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are. Multiply all these three numbers. 3 twos are 6 and 6 twos are 12. That means 12 will be our LCM. So I have written 12 here. After this, how many fractions are there? There are 2 fractions there. That means we should place 2 symbols of division, and we will write this LCM as the dividend, and divisors are this 3 and 12. First of all, we will write the 3. 3 fours are 12. Okay, now this 4 will be multiplied by this minus 2. 4 into minus 2, symbol of plus. Again, here we have the divisor 12. 12 ones are 12. Okay, this 1 will be multiplied by this 5. 1 multiplied by 5. So our answer will be minus 8 plus 5 over 12, which will be is equal to minus 3 over 12. Okay, now cut it down. 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. Minus 1 over 4 will be our answer. Okay, now in fraction, there is one more type of fraction, or you can say one more form of fraction, that is known as mixed form of fraction. The fraction which is written in this type 2 and 4 over 9, this is known as the mixed form. Okay, it is pronounced as 2 and 4 over 9. So first of all, if you want to convert this fraction in this form, okay, so what we will have to do, first of all, we will multiply this 9 by this 2. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, and after this we will add 4 in 18, which will be 22 over 9. Okay, I'm expanding it for you. 2 and 4 over 9. First of all, we will multiply by 9 by 2, which will be equal to 18. Okay, after multiplying these two numbers, our answer is 18. After this, we will add 4 in it. 18 plus 4, which is equal to 22. So our answer will be 22 over 9. So for the sake of practice, suppose we are given with one more fraction, that is 3 and 1 over 8. Okay, first of all, we multiply this 8 by this 3. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, and 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. That means it is equal to 25 over 8. One thing that you must remember that this denominator does not changes. Only the numerator changes. Denominator always remains the same. Okay, one more. Let's try one more fraction of this kind. Here we have 4 and 1 over 2. First of all, we multiply this 2 by 4. 2 fours are 8 plus 1, 9 over 2. Okay, hope so now it is clear to you the concept of fraction and the mixed form of fraction.